Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a playlist on your YouTube channel. If you have a playlist, it will increase your views and also subscribers, because on playlist lots of viewers easily can see your videos. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a playlist on your new YouTube channel. So before starting the process, let's do something that please subscribe my channel and like also. So let's go on the screen. Okay, let's open my channel. This is my channel. In playlist I have created one playlist which have two videos. Its name is TikTok Tricks. Okay, let's begin the process of creating a playlist. At first open Chrome, then search www.youtube.com. click on three dot, then you find desktop site, mark desktop site. Then you can see here channel icon. Tap on channel icon and open. Here you can see customize channel. Click on customize channel, then click playlist. There tap on new playlist. After that you will have give any title. Let me choose my channel name for title. After set your title name, click on create. Oh, my playlist I have already created. Okay, open your channel by clicking on channel icon. You can see videos, just choose videos, and here you can see three dot line on videos. Then click on save to playlist. Now choose, you have created playlist name, and choose my name. Okay. Okay, then again go to the playlist and refresh it. Then you can see I have got playlist. So by this process you can create your playlist. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you really like this video, please like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe.